Okay, gentlemen of the press, we just rounded up a meeting. It's a special presidential committee to address the issue of food shortage or lack of enough food on the table of most Nigerians. Of course, this is just the beginning of that meeting. It is going to continue tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Government is very concerned about what Nigerians are going through, especially what has happened in Mina yesterday. And therefore, government is taking some action to ensure that Nigerians have some relief in terms of the availability of food on the table. Of course, this meeting is not by itself exhaustive. It's just like I said, the beginning is going to continue tomorrow and the day after. Now, some of these will involve unlocking the foods that are available in most of the storage facilities around the country. You know that the Federal Ministry of Agriculture has some food reserve that is going to be made available to Nigerians. Government is also talking to major millers and major commodity traders to also see what is available in their stores, to open it up so that government will provide some intervention, discuss with them and provide some intervention to make this food available to Nigerians. What government is noticing is that actually there is still food in this country. Some people are taking advantage of the situation, especially because of the high cost, the rise in or the depreciation in the value of our currency. That has led to the cost of these food items also going up. So all these issues were discussed. The governor of Central Bank was there. The Minister of Finance and the Coordinating Minister for the Economy is in that meeting. Of course, the Chief of Staff, the National Security Advisor, because of course this also has some national security implication. So all these have been discussed, and like I said, this conversation or discussion is going to continue. What I would tell Nigerians is that the President has directed that government needs to step in to stem this tide. Government will not fold its arms and see the way Nigerians are suffering in terms of the availability of these food items. So I want to plead with you to understand with the government. By the time these meetings are concluded, we'll be able to issue a definite statement on what the position of government is in this regard. But what I can say is that discussions are ongoing, and very soon, a solution is in sight for Nigerians.
Is there any immediate action following today's meeting? Even though you said it will take 3 days for you to conclude, what are the immediate actions that have been taken today?
Well, some of them are dependent on the follow-up meetings that will happen tomorrow. But what I can tell you is that there is already an end in sight to all this hardship. Government is stepping in a big way to ensure that Nigerians have succor going forward.
Thank you. Can we have it in Hausa?
for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.